Welcome to the Learner. Upgrade your knowledge. Stay curious. Stay inspired. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Learner. Your support helps us create more quality educational content for you and your family. Today you will work on a class project. Choose a topic related to your subject. Work individually or in small groups. Plan your project before starting. Gather information from reliable sources. Organize your ideas clearly. Prepare notes for your presentation. Focus on clarity rather than length. Use simple language to explain ideas. Include examples where possible. Arrange your content in proper order. Practice your presentation beforehand. Speak clearly and confidently. Maintain eye contact with the audience. Use visual aids if required. Do not read directly from notes. Explain concepts in your own words. Manage your time during the presentation. Stay calm while presenting. Answer questions politely. Respect your classmates while they present. Listen carefully to others' presentations. Take notes during presentations. Avoid interrupting the presenter. Follow the given guidelines strictly. Keep your project neat and organized. Focus on understanding, not memorization. Explain the main idea first. Support your points with examples. Avoid unnecessary details. Use charts or diagrams if helpful. Keep your voice audible. Practice correct posture while presenting. Be confident in your knowledge. Stay within the time limit. Review your project before submission. Check spelling and grammar carefully. Use headings to organize content. Make your presentation engaging. Encourage questions from classmates. Respond to feedback positively. Avoid copying content directly. Mention sources if required. Use simple visuals for explanation. Focus on the learning outcome. Explain difficult points slowly. Avoid rushing through slides. Speak naturally and clearly. Maintain discipline during presentations. Appreciate others' efforts. Keep your materials ready. Follow the project instructions carefully. Rehearse the presentation at home. Divide parts equally in group projects. Support your group members. Ensure equal participation. Discuss ideas before finalizing. Prepare a proper conclusion. Summarize key points at the end. Keep the classroom quiet during presentations. Focus on clarity and confidence. Avoid unnecessary movements. Use the board if needed. Answer questions thoughtfully. Respect different presentation styles. Keep your project work clean. Use correct subject terminology. Avoid reading slides word by word. Speak at a steady pace. Make sure your content is accurate. Practice in front of a mirror. Use gestures naturally. Prepare cue cards if necessary. Show confidence in your work. Explain visuals clearly. Avoid memorized speech. Focus on understanding the topic deeply. Keep your explanations simple. Respect the audience's time. Stay focused throughout the presentation. Prepare answers for possible questions. Listen carefully to feedback. Improve your presentation skills regularly. Follow classroom presentation rules. Keep your project file organized. Speak loudly enough for everyone. Maintain discipline on stage. Thank the audience after presenting. Support your arguments logically. Use examples from daily life. Avoid distracting the audience. Keep your introduction short. Present facts confidently. Respect the presentation order. Learn from others' presentations. Ask questions politely. Prepare your materials in advance. Focus on quality, not quantity. Improve through practice. Present your project with confidence. We have selected our project topic. The project plan is ready. Information has been collected carefully. The content is organized properly. Notes are prepared for presentation. The main idea is clearly explained. Examples are included for better understanding. Visual aids are prepared. Practice sessions are completed. The presentation is within the time limit. Each group member has a clear role. Everyone contributed equally. The introduction explains the topic well. Key points are highlighted clearly. The explanation uses simple language. The conclusion summarizes the topic. Questions are answered politely. Feedback is noted carefully. The project follows all instructions. Sources are mentioned properly. Charts are used to explain data. The presentation was rehearsed. Group coordination was maintained. Eye contact was maintained with the audience. The voice was clear and audible. The content was explained confidently. The slides were easy to understand. Everyone remained calm during presentation. The time was managed effectively. Difficult points were explained slowly. The project file is neat. Class rules were followed. Feedback will be used for improvement. Questions from classmates were answered. The project helped improve understanding. Everyone stayed attentive. The topic was explained logically. Proper examples were given. Group members supported each other. The project goals were achieved. Visuals supported the explanation well. The presentation stayed focused. Content accuracy was ensured. The project was completed on time. The discussion remained respectful. Each part was presented clearly. The conclusion was effective. The project followed subject guidelines. Notes were used properly. The presentation improved confidence. Feedback was taken positively. The project encouraged teamwork. Everyone participated actively. The topic was well understood. The explanation was clear to the class. The group stayed organized. Proper planning helped success. The presentation met expectations. Learning objectives were achieved. The experience was helpful. Communication was clear. Class time was used effectively. The project improved speaking skills. The group managed responsibilities well. The presentation followed the schedule. Preparation helped reduce nervousness. The project enhanced subject knowledge. Everyone respected the rules. The explanation matched the topic. Audience engagement was good. Visual aids supported learning. The project outcome was positive. Feedback will help future improvement. Teamwork improved overall quality. The presentation was completed smoothly. The topic was explained confidently. The project met learning goals. The discussion was meaningful. The experience built confidence. The presentation helped improve communication. Each member understood their role. The project encouraged creativity. Everyone stayed focused. Instructions were followed properly. The content was simple and clear. The presentation was well structured. The project helped practical learning. The group worked efficiently. Classroom discipline was maintained. The topic was covered completely. The project improved presentation skills. The explanation was easy to follow. The learning outcome was achieved. The experience was valuable. The project encouraged confidence. The group performed well together. Feedback was constructive. The project supported better understanding. The presentation achieved its purpose. The class benefited from the project.